Yes, a very good evening and a warm welcome to match number 17 of the EPL Season 5. It's the Nike Warriors and Team Chargers. Nike Warriors having won the toss, so without any hesitation they decided to bowl first. A very important game for Nike Warriors and Chargers as well. This promises to be a cracker of a game. Both the teams looking to win this one, take those crucial winning points and try and consolidate their position on the table. That will be the Mool Mantra. Go out there and play your best cricket. The only thing that Ashok Kedwal is praying for, that he may not be run out this innings. That has been the curse on him. Has been a run out on at least 2 occasions. इस मैच के टॉस को जीतकर गेंदबाजी का फैसला लिया है टीम नाइक वॉरियर्स ने। कप्तान जयेंद्र गुप्ता, टीम के ओनर्स मिस्टर निखिल नायक, दूसरी तरफ टीम चार्जर्स के को ओनर्स सुनील भाई सिंगानिया और अशोक भाई खेडवाल। द टीम लेड बाय विकास शर्मा। Ashok and Manish, the two batters, all set. The umpires will just give that final signal. Yes, all set. The scorers absolutely ready. Play time. Well bowled, well played. Manish played such a good knock in the earlier match, so he will be looking to continue with that same kind of form. Well timed, offering the full face of the bat, playing in the V. A Dhruv to Ashok Kedwal. Oh, maybe he's blessed not run out. Yeah, he's a very senior cricketer, and I had the good fortune of watching him play at the Selo 45 plus T20 league. He was in great form, Ashok Kedwal. He was one of the frontline all-rounders at the 45 plus league. So much of potential. Such a good run. Very well judged. That's a center line no. The pace that Dhruv is generating is being relished by both these batters. They want the ball to be coming onto the bat. The bonus time, free hit. With 1 ball to go, the scoreline at the moment is 6 for none. This time the leg spinner, that was really well bowled, slow to the air, pitching into that middle and off stump line. End of the first over is 7 for none. Still a long way to go, but yes, you got to say that it's a good start, isn't it? The way Manish is connecting the balls, that is such a good sign for Team Chargers. You need your frontline players to be in great form, to be firing in all cylinders. Send back in the nick of time. 2 dots on the edge. Well done. Smartly getting off the edge. Oh, Jayendra for once misses it. Otherwise, he's like a live wire in that position. Terrific shot by Ashok Kedwal. Absolutely intentional. Just a little over the head of Ali. No chances for Ali. That was super timed. With that 6, the score on to 15. Up and away Team Chargers. A good comeback delivery. Such a good delivery. The follow-up delivery by any bowler after being hit for a 6 or a boundary is that it reflects the character of the bowler. The follow-up delivery. In this kind of a format, any time, any day, any bowler can get hit. How you come back, that is what matters. 2 ओवर के बाद 15 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. हल्के हाथों से खेला, केवल दिशा दी, बड़ी आसानी से उस 1 रन को प्राप्त किया. रन संख्या 16 रनों पर एक अच्छी साझेदारी रंग लाती हुई. The right call. The perfect Yorker. That's a no ball. So free, there you go, the siren. Rajan Soni is being very tidy in this over. He's put the brakes on. Playing with a cross bat and very well fielded by Shubham. Very well done. Not easy for such a tall man to get down in time. That wasn't far away from Shubham. But because it was exquisitely timed, it was traveling like a tracer bullet. 1 run added, the score now on to 19 after 3. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद एक बहुत ही आला शुरुआत, 19 रन बिना कोई नुकसान के. एक अच्छे लॉन्च पैड को इस वक्त एस्टैब्लिश करते हुए Jayendra will have to keep his thinking cap on. Will be a test of character for the captaincy of Jayendra Gupta now in this very, very crucial match. Manish continues with the good form. अभिनव अब गेंदबाजी करेंगे. It's been referred into the box, third umpire's box, just to confirm whether it brushed the hand. 17th match has just got started. Match number 17. Day number 3, the final session. What we've done over Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that same exercise will be repeated over the next weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Because it's not going to be spread over a long duration, the EPL Season 5, we will keep maintaining the tempo. When it goes on for a long duration, थोड़ा सा tempo down होता है. ये जो कंसिस्टेंटली सभी हम जो रिव्यूज लेते हैं वो जो टीवी पे देखते हैं, वी ट्राइंग टू एमुलेट हियर आल्सो, बट थोड़ा सा लिमिटेशन है टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर. वी डू नॉट हैव द मैग्नीफाइंग कैमरा लेंस, नो स्नीकोमीटर. But still we are doing our best. I always feel that it's a very, very brave decision by the organizing committee to have that DRS system in place. A very tough call. With the kind of limited resources available to us, it's always going to be a big challenge. He's been given out. So -5. For whatever time Ashok Kedwal was at the wicket, he looked good. In comes the very experienced Pawan Mundra. For the third time, he gets run out. So far, he's been quite decent with the contributions that he's making both with the bat and the ball, Pawan Mundra. But this is the big night. You're inside. That single takes the score to playing it a little uppishly. We are into the fourth over, 3 balls to go. The scoreline is 17 for 1. Nicely turned away around the corner, not in any hurry at all. Manish has been quite impressive with his approach, the way he's timing the ball. He's looking good. If that first run would have been taken quickly, the second run was on the cards. End of 4 overs, 19 for 1. 24 गेंद आनी बाकी और इन 24 गेंदों में कम से कम 28 से 30 रन्स बनाने की मंशा होगी टीम चार्जर्स की. केवल एक ही विकेट खोया है अभी तक. तो अब टीम के ओनर मिस्टर निखिल नाइक को गेंदबाजी करने के लिए आमंत्रित किया गया है. the owner of the team, AD Nike Wealth. A big thank you to our sponsor, Mr. Dipesh Nigam from the Dhanlakshmi Group, the only sponsor of the tournament, one and only. Well timed, the ball ricocheting off the nets into the declared zone 3D. With that 3D, the score now on to 22. Very well bowled, looking to keep the ball away from the range of Manish. Oh, what a shot! He breaks the shackles. Just what the doctor ordered. This man is very impressive. For the second time in this days, coming up with a blazing innings. He's making a big statement here at the EPL with his explosive batting, Manish. If this man stands at the wicket, stays at the wicket for the next 10 minutes, Team Chargers will be very well placed. You may call it the commentator's curse. Out of the box is gone. -5. Maybe that bounced a little more than was expected. In comes the captain, Vicky Sharma. Manish has done the job for the team. The score is 23 for 2. We are into the 5th over, 2 balls to go. A total of 20 balls left. कुल मिला के 20 गेंद आनी बाकी है टीम चार्जर्स के इस इनिंग्स में. रन संख्या 23 रन 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. They will be more than happy to see the back of the man in form, Manish. That's a big blow. The earlier delivery was hit for a 6. Next delivery, -5. Even Stevens. Straight to Tarun. An interesting over from Nikhil Naik comes to an end. A 6 in that over, also a wicket. So that crucial over has got them the wicket of Manish. The score after 5, 25 for 2. 5 ओवर के बाद 25 रन है. 18 गेंद अभी भी बाकी है और 2 काफी एक्सपीरियंस्ड बल्लेबाज इस वक्त टीम चार्जर्स के लिए चार्ज लेते हुए. पवन एंड विकी. Jayendra into action. (26) 17 balls left. He was never in any danger, was in total control, deliberately playing the ball into the fence, the side fence into the net. Oh, that could be dangerous. Back home in time. Definitely next Friday will be the start of the business end of the EPL Season 5. The couple of upset victories that we had in the morning has the upset victories in the morning session have opened up the table. -5. He keeps his nerves, charging inside with the ball in his hand and effecting that run out. Captain Vicky Sharma on his way back to the pavilion. -5 सिनेरियो के बाद 23 रन है 5 विकेट के 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आखिरी गेंदबाजी बाकी छठे ओवर में कश्यप आ चुके हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए, सीनियर प्लेयर, बट व्हाट a great passion he always exhibits. He is one of the key links for Team Chargers. Well bowled. See, Jayendra is not bowling with extra pace. He's bowling with very slow pace. 6 ओवर के बाद 23 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर। आखिरी 12 गेंदबाजी बाकी है। गेंदबाजी का भार संभाले हुए पेनल्टीमेट ओवर में ध्रुव, स्ट्राइक पर है पवन मुंद्रा। That's a no ball. They have taken the review. The bowling team has taken the review for the center pitch no ball. Only 2 reviews available to every team, whether it be the bowling team or the batting team. Unless you are spot on with your review, you will be getting only 2. If you get the review spot on, then you get 1 extra review. That's a no ball. We were checking for the foot no ball and not the center line. Just touching, just touching. The line belongs to the umpire. Always. They've lost 1 review. It's a free hit anyways. Kashyap on strike, facing Dhruv. Nailing the Yorker right up there in the block hole. Welcome runs. That was well bowled. A little faster into the pads. 26. जबकि अब रन संख्या 27 बन चुकी है। 9 गेंदबाजी शेष है कुल मिला के टीम चार्जर्स की इनिंग्स में। Will be a wide one looking to bowl that leg spinner. No turn, just angling down. This time the straighter one. Pawan was almost expecting that faster straight delivery. A free hit. अच्छी गेंद। और एक रिव्यू लिया है और क्योंकि जयेंद्र इतना कॉन्फिडेंट है तो दैट टेल्स यू अ स्टोरी। सो लेट्स सी बट स्टिल वी गॉट टू वॉच इट फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम। It's been given out. Pawan knew that. Pawan knew that it was on the cards. -5. A very crucial negative marking. The perfect decision. With that negative marking the match, now even Stevens in a state of equilibrium. इसके बाद सुपर ओवर आना बाकी है. The new man in Janak. Clean bowled. The perfect delivery going through the defenses of Janak. -5. The indication for the super over has also come along. After the deduction, the score after 7 overs is 20. 2 गेंदों में 2 विकेट्स गिरते हुए 10 रन्स कम हो चुके हैं और ये सुपर ओवर अब थोड़ी सी खबर 20 लेस करने के बाद रन संख्या 20 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर 7 ओवर की समाप्ति के बाद आखिरी 6 गेंद करने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार शुभम. थोड़ी सी खबरदारी का इख्तियार करना होगा टीम चार्जर्स ने क्योंकि वो अब सुपर ओवर में हर विकेट के लिए -10 होंगे. It all depends on what the team chargers think is a safe total. क्या वो 24, 25, 28, 30 या 32 कितने रन्स चाहिए वो depends on what the game plan is. But yes, one thing is for sure, they cannot afford negative 10 marks now. They've already lost 10 of the last 2 balls. The super over on. Kashyap facing Shubham. Very well bowled. 2 runs added, 22, 4 to go. Whatever you score will get doubled. So 22 with 4 balls to go. The new man in is Biraj. Minus 10. Yes, that very good start from Ashok Kedwal and Manish at the moment. That is that initiative is being lost by Team Chargers. They had that early initiative with a kind of opening partnership. They had, it was a flourishing opening partnership. But in the last 4 balls, it's been a downhill graph for Team Chargers. 12 रन 6 विकेट के नुकसान पे. Back in the match, big time, Nike Warriors. Yes, you always got to be on the job, all grit and determination. Just to wait for that positive shift to come along. And when it comes along, you got to be ready for that. Always say keep the faith in the positive shifts coming in at any time. 12 रन बन चुके हैं. कल्पेश मेहता. ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं थी स्टंप से. If that stump would have had one extra coat of paint, he was gone. Two runs added to take the score to 14. 2 गेंद अभी भी बाकी, आखिरी 2 गेंद. 16 रन्स बन चुके 2 रनों के साथ. 2 to go. Well bowled. Oh my word, what a catch. That catch will go 1 up above Jayendra. जयेंद्र ने उसी पोजीशन में वो कैच लिया था. ये तो सबसे ब्रिलियंट कैच है. सो -10. अब केवल 7 रन्स बनाने इस मैच को जीतने के लिए. देखिए किस तरह से मैच का पासा केवल 5 गेंदों में पलटा है. -30 runs, -30. Can you believe it? In the last 5 deliveries, there has been a negative marking of -30. Only 7 runs to win the match. That was a decent delivery, but what about that stunning catch? He picked it out of thin air. Marvelous catch. That stunning catch that he took, he will look to be making it viral. What a fantastic catch. Super catch. Only 7 to win. The challenge for the captain of Team Chargers is कि अब इस तरह के हालात में क्या कहकर अपनी टीम को मोटिवेट करे. वो नेट रन रेट की खबरदारी भी तो लेनी है. आगे जाके वो नेट रन रेट ही काफी निर्णायक होगा. Yes, in the next 45-50 minutes, the organizers are expecting a full house. This is the Sunday evening, the Super Sunday. I'm sure that we will have a very, very enthu crowd. इसके बाद का मैच सिलेक्टिव 11 बनाम बाउंस. कैलाश प्रजापति के लिए तो अब हर मैच लिटरली लाइक अ सेमीफाइनल है, हर मैच को जीतना होगा। Welcome to the season 5 of the EPL.
बच्चों को तो मजा आ गया। सिर्फ जब में डर लगता है, पर डर के आगे जीत है।
Experience this place.
Bounce.
Absolute miser with his bowling. Yes, all set. Oh, what a smart shot. Aditya Gaikwad. First ball boundary. Only 7 to win. A good comeback delivery. Spot on. Such a beauty. That would have really beat any batsman. Down the leg. It's all about showing some great character now for team Chargers. Quite the right call. 2 runs added and also a free hit. They are on to 7, so they've already accomplished the target. Now what they achieve from here is always going to be a bonus. 7 रन का टारगेट था वो तो बन चुका है. 7 ओवर्स आने बाकी है. Mr. Chairman now all set to bowl. Mr. Sunil Singhania. Sunil Singhania is also one of the co-owners of Team Chargers. He's not just the chairman at the CHSL, but also the EPL. Well bowled, channel bowling, metronomic bowling, perfect delivery. And that is a 6. That 6 takes the score to 13. Oh my word, -5. Ali back in the hut. Unfortunately, that's a freak mishap. A freak dismissal. Ricocheting off the body of one of the fielders inside the circle, straight down the throat of the man in the deep. In comes Dhruv Borade. They've got the early bird. Just hoping against hope now. Time for Team Chargers to show some character. Still some way left in the tournament. We are not even into the halfway stage. We are nearing the halfway stage. नाइक वॉरियर्स के ही बैनर पर नाइक वॉरियर्स ने वो शॉट लगाया. The score after 2 overs 13. A good opportunity for Aditya Gaikwad to spend some time at the wicket, get going, be in good form. So this is a golden opportunity with no pressure on. This is such a good time for Gaikwad to get among some good runs. He will be looking to be at his very best, to gather some good form. The captain has pressed himself into the attack. A wicket to Gaikwad. Very well done into the declared zone. With that 3D, they're marching along. What a shot. Because he did not hit too hard, he got the desired result. If he had to put in a little extra effort, might as well have gone out of the box. A smart shot. It's great to see Gaikwad back among some very good runs. This is a good sign for Nike Warriors. Dead ball, complete dead. Two to go. One dot. One dot. He's dismissed after 3 dot balls. He was expecting the ball to go the other way. Vicky has got the uncanny knack of spinning the ball both ways. Very well bowled. Dhruv Borade is dismissed, -5, and in comes Jay. Rajan back in the pavilion. Rajan Soni. 19. The score is 19. They've already taken the super over. That is the call of the batting team to choose when they opt for the super over. No score. Don't look at the score here. Because the target has already been accomplished, there will be no scoring on Cricket Heroes. Aditya has grabbed the opportunity with both hands. Back among some good runs. Well bowled. Whenever it hits the mat, it's always going to be a very tough proposition. Almost unplayable. The score after 4 overs is 25. Aditya is on a roll. He's on a song. What a crucial innings he's playing. That is the good news for Jayendra, that even Gaikwad is in good form. They need at least 2-3 batters in the top order who can give good company to Ali. In every match you cannot be depending on Ali. .32 it is, the score. .33, but that single. .3D, 2 wickets down. They are marching ahead. Aditya has not just held 4-1 and is also put the foot on the pedal whenever the opportunity has come by. The what? 36. The score after 5 overs, 36. 18 balls left. Jayendra and Aditya taking their team to safety. Janak. An inning filled with so much of purpose. One more very good option coming up for team Nike Warriors. The heads are beginning to drop for team Chargers. Six overs, 40 runs. 41. Pavan to Jayendra. 42. Reverse shot, reverse sweep. Aditya is having a gala time. Sunil Singhania to bowl the second over of his spell. It's going to be Jay on strike. 45. अगला मैच टीम बाउंस बनाम सिलेक्टिव 11. Of 46. With the cautious approach of both these batters, they have kind of shut the doors on any kind of a comeback. They have shut the doors on a negative marking. So that net run rate obviously is going to be going up the ladder. .48. The final ball coming up. .49. A 50 up on the board, 50 runs up on the board. They are a very, very happy lot because yes, they have regained their confidence back, the momentum is back, and the net run rate is going to be shooting up. So everything falling in place for the Nike Warriors in this match. Everything is to their favor. Team Bounce and Team Selective 11.